Hiya and welcome to this video unboxing the Planners Anonymous Kit Note to Self. I'll start with unboxing the papers in the standard monthly kit, and this page here, honestly, it is so stunning. I'll try and show you up close so you can see in the background of it there's little grey outlines of flowers, and also if you look very closely there are some sloths here. The sloth is a sort of a note to just hang like a sloth, really. Take care of yourself. Oh my goodness. And the reverse of that is this absolutely gorgeous watercolour pink. Look at those together. Just stunning. Ah! And then we have a bedroom. I'm going to call this sloth a cushion because I think I would be terrified if there was an actual real sloth lying on my bed. As cute and adorable as he does look, I'm calling that a sloth cushion. But the colours on this, they are so gorgeous. And on the reverse of that we have the brown watercolour. And then next is this gorgeous notice board where we've got lots of affirmative comments and things. So hang in there, you're doing great, you are amazing, be kind to yourself, handle with care. Really nice. And then with these stunning flowers on the background there, and also some lips. And on the reverse of that we've got this colour here, which is bringing this colour out. Then there's a gorgeous piece of vellum, and the vellum is the pink flower with the outline of the sloths and the other flowers in the background, and some hearts. Because of the hearts I can see I've got that upside down, so we've got hearts and things there. So that's gorgeous, and being vellum, of course, it's partly translucent. And then the acetate is a rose gold, and it's got the self-care isn't selfish, handle with care, and lips all over it. So just a really good reminder at this time, just take care of yourself. They're the papers and the specialty papers in the Note to Self kit, and I can tell you I am going to love this kit. This is everything else that's in the standard planner kit, so we'll look at this before we look at the add-on paper pack and add-on sticker kit. Oh, it was packed by Sammy. This is the first time I've had a packed by Sammy, so that's very exciting. Yay, Sammy! Thank you, Sammy. This is the first thing I notice, which is a card, and the girl has been changed into an actual 4x6 inch card this month. And doesn't she look just so chilled in her onesie there? And this card says, "Take it slow. You are worth all the time in the world, Maggie." And listen to that, that's so true. And then on the reverse here we've just got a "Thank you so much for purchasing our latest kit, Note to Self. We wanted this kit to remind you of the importance of taking time to prioritize yourself, especially when life has taken an unexpected turn. Stay safe, stay healthy, and as always, thank you for your ongoing support." Then there's a list of everything that's included in the kit. It also says printables are also included in your subscription and can be found on our website, www.plannersanon.com. So that's really good, I like that. It's sort of like a little souvenir card that you can keep even. And this is the mystery item, or the special item for the month. There's a glossy card, it's nice and thick. "I am worthy." That's definitely going to be used in something. And then there's a little charm. So it's a bow charm with a heart hanging on it and a little lobster clasp clip here. You can use these for a multitude of things. You can use them if you've got a traveler's notebook, you can use them on these strings here, or if you have a traveler's notebook with elastic on the front, you can clip it on there, for example, or you can have it hanging down the bottom from those elastics. You can do all sorts of things with these. You can hang it on a bag or a pouch. You can pop it on a zipper of a pencil pouch, for example. That's the special item for the month. And this pen, oh my goodness, if you know me, you know I love pink, and I don't have any pens that are this shade of pink, and I am in love. It's rose gold this time, so we've got all rose gold hardware on it, and gorgeous, gorgeous mix of crystals there. But that pink, I love, love, love this pen. Okay, let's have a look at the quote cards first. There's the backing card. And this is a lovely soft pink watercolour, taking a moment. Handle with care. Self-care isn't selfish. It's very important to know that, particularly when you care for others. I am enough. You are amazing. It's going to be okay. So 6 cards there with great positive affirmations. And then the stickers that come in the monthly kit. Remember, we have the Addon Sticker Kit to look at in a little bit. Here's the first one. We've got Maggie there in her onesie. And this guy here. You can't be scared of him. I mean, look at him. If you don't like the actual animal, just think of it as a soft toy. He's so soft and squishy looking. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got some very cute pajamas and gowns and slippers, etc. Love the planner cart there. And this flower. Oh, nice. These are the weekly headers. I'm loving the look of these. Really like them. And you can see here a celebrate. So celebrate is the next kit. So that's a sneak peek of the kit that's up for subscription at the moment. So if you want to subscribe to celebrate, go to plannersanon.com and remember to use my code itsycrafty, and that will save you 10% off your first month's box. This weekend time is a new sticker and I'm loving it. It's super cute with the little mini girls on it. Love it. And I love that traveler's notebook. If that comes into existence, I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to own that. And then we've got the icons, which are so useful every month. These are fantastic functional stickers that also look cute. So 4 sheets of stickers as per usual. Here's the note to self stamp set. The stamp sets are always so much fun every month. And I'm loving this little clock here. There's a little clock without hands, so you can pop your own hands on that to record various appointment times, etc. So that's a really useful stamp. Might be tiny, but super useful. And then currently binging, this could be great at the moment. And then of course we've got Maggie there in her onesie. And this little guy will be so cute peeking over things. So there's so many things on this stamp set. It's going to be lots of fun to play with. They are every month. And then we've got the art card and the die cuts. this art card, it feels thicker than usual. And honestly, look at it. Hang in there. You're doing great. It has a gorgeous, gorgeous floral border around this. And this is definitely going straight into a frame. I have a lot of the art cards in frames in my craft room. Sorry about the glare of the light there. But they're just white frames, really simple ones. But the artwork is so gorgeous that I just love these in my room. So here's another one, the Drinker of Coffee Planner of Things. Sorry about the glare. But yeah, they're just gorgeous for decorating anywhere. That just shows you don't need to use these in crafting. You can just use them as a beautiful decorative item. And this surely is. Then we've got the die cuts, and they feel thicker than usual. They're definitely thicker than usual, and maybe there's more than usual. Or they're bigger than usual. Maybe that's it. There's a cute little sloth. Got the hanging sloth. Oh, sleepy sloth. Time for me. Did the thing. I don't know what the thing is. The thing can be whatever you want the thing to be. Oh, yes, please. This weekend, could I please have this? Bath salts. Oh, these flowers. These flowers are divine. Made myself a priority. More gorgeous flowers. There's Maggie. Handle with care. And this here, which is fantastic and can be used for so many things. You could write something in there, pop a sticker in there, all sorts. Love it. So a whole bunch of really nice die cuts this month. And they are thicker than usual. I didn't have a problem with their thickness before, but being a little bit thicker than usual makes them even more durable, which is fantastic. Here we have the Self-Care Washi. It has a rose gold foil on it. There's a little 5mm with a whole lot of different self-care things on there. And this one might be the very first wide vertical washi which we've had. So it looks like a whole bunch of almost like stickers that you could use. Let's roll them out and have a look. Here's the washi rolled out. The 15mm washi has a rose gold foil on it, and then it has the flowers and the sloths on it, and you can see there the length before there is a repeat. It's quite long. The 5mm washi, it all says Self-Care Day, but in different colours. This wider washi has a whole heap of different awards on it. You could use these in a multitude of different ways. So we've got Made Time for Me, Went for a Walk, Made Myself a Priority, Rock Star, Took a Break, Asked for Help, Moved My Body, Didn't Panic, Great Job, Made It Through the Day, and Did the Thing. Hopefully you can see there the rose gold on those. So that's the washi, and that's everything that's in the monthly planner kit, and there was quite a lot. Now let's have a look at the add-on paper pack and add-on sticker kit. This is the add-on paper pack for the Note to Self kit. The background is a really gorgeous green, and it has this white stylized leaf on it, just the outline of a leaf. And then we've got this very happy sloth just chilling around. Gorgeous. And on the back of him there's a black watercolour. So there's 2 of those. We've got some self-care here with some nail and face masks and all sorts of treatments. And on the reverse of that, there's this green watercolour. And then we've got a dark background floral. And on the reverse of that page, there's the pink watercolour. Love that page. And then as per usual with the add-on paper pack, you're very lucky and you get an extra piece of the acetate and an extra piece of the vellum. Here are the pages in the add-on paper pack for Note to Self. And now let's have a look at the add-on sticker kit. This is the add-on sticker kit, and it actually feels even thicker than usual. But let's have a look at the pages one by one and see how many we get. So we've got Maggie to start off, and I do love the florals in this kit. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here we have our man looking quite relaxed, and we've got lots of pajamas and various things there. Love the clocks. Oh wow, now that is self-care. So we've got the lovely bath there and all sorts of goodies to treat yourself in the bath with. And then we've got this person here and all of these stunning florals. And then a sloth. I love this one. You know, some days that's what I feel like. Oh, I love this wee guy. He is so adorable. And then we've got lots of positive affirmations here. And the flat lays, which I love these flat lays. Gorgeous. And some boxes and double boxes. And these are nice. They're half boxes, which will be perfect in planner spreads. And a second page with the double boxes and full boxes. And gorgeous, gorgeous little half boxes. Fantastic. Taking a moment. I love them. I love these. So the envelopes with the little pink letters in them that are perfect for jotting all sorts of things down. Love that, and we've got 2 of them. Perfect. And then our 2 sets of monthly date dots and the little sticky notes. And then we're looking at the different colours for the kit, and this page has changed from previous pages. Sammy's always refreshing the stickers, which is always really good. Love the addition of the little hearts. They're useful just for noting 1 or 2 things down. Love those. And then we've got little coordinating colours, sticky notes on here too. Fantastic! Because this, honestly, I use these all over the place. And now we've got them here. There's some in the standard kit and some smaller ones here. These are a fantastic size for in a Hobonichi Weeks also. I love the refresh. So we've got those in the different colours of the kit. There should be 4 of those. There we go. And then there's the minis. And who can't love them? And the functional minis. Super, super adorable. And here are all the stickers in the Note to Self add-on sticker kit. So a grand total of 18 pages. I'm just loving these colours. I just can't believe I received 2 kits on the same day, and I just want to play with both of them, honestly. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of Note to Self, and I've also just uploaded an unboxing of Love Bug as I received the 2 kits together. I'm loving both of the kits. They're both different, and that's what I love about Planners Anonymous, that you're getting completely different kits every single month. They do not get repetitive, believe me, but every month you're getting the fantastic quality and the amazing artwork. Anyway, sorry to go on. I hope you've enjoyed watching the unboxing, and hopefully I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!